Hello everybody and welcome to my ultimate jewelry complete design workflow. This is gonna be first of this kind of a series online, and in this series I'm gonna teach a variety of modeling techniques in Rhino as well as Zbrush. The aim of this tutorial is to teach you a Rhino and introduction to modeling techniques to make rings and any other type of jewelry. After some Rhino introduction and modeling, I'm gonna teach Zbrush, a very powerful tool. In Zbrush we can do a very easy changes to our model. It gives us freedom that we can import our basic shape models, and upon importing them, make very easy changes to our model, textures and details. In this case rings, but also with the tools that I'm going to teach, you'll be able to make any other type of printable, wearable jewelry. After Zbrush, I'm going to teach the basics about Keyshot and how we can make some beautiful renderings, as well as how to work with animation presets that come with the Keyshot, so you can do your own beautiful renderings as well, and how we can step away from generic jewelry and improve the quality of our designs. So I really welcome you all to this first of this kind of a tutorial. This is going to be a very complete series, after which you'll be able to produce professional pieces of jewelry that will be 3D printable and beautiful renderings as well. So thank you very much for coming, and yes, see you in the lesson number 1, which will cover the basics of Rhino for jewelry design.